Risk disclaimer.
So in this video, we are going to be looking into the Forex market analysis and also do some forecast for this week. We'll take a look at the Forex calendar for this week. As you can see, it is going to be a busy week. We'll look into the IG client sentiment, and of course, we'll take a look at the currency meter, which one is strong, which one is weak, and which market are we looking at this particular week. Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle. They call me the Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel. I trade the Forex market for a living, and I disciple others to success in Forex. So in this video, we are going to be looking into the busy market, the last week of the month of November, also first week of December. So you know that it's going to be a busy week, very volatile market. So make sure you stick with me to the end of this video. However, if you are watching this and you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button, like this video, leave your comment below, and if there's any currency pair you would like me to be adding to our weekly analysis, make sure that you have it right on this channel. Every Monday you get Forex market analysis plus indices and maybe sometimes gold or silver. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that. I will dive into it in a minute. Thank you. All right, so taking a look at the currency strength, this is from fxflow.com. As you can see, Japanese yen is very strong, Swiss franc is very strong. Okay, those two very strong for this week. And of course, going to this week also, you can see that New Zealand dollars is very weak. Okay, it's very weak. Aussie dollars is very weak. And taking a look at the Canadian dollars is very weak. And of course, as I always say, you know that in Forex trading, you buy, okay, you buy the strength, you buy the strength, you buy the strength, and you sell the weak. You buy the strength and you sell the weak. So this week, okay, like what we are looking at this week, we're going to be buying JPY, buying CHF. This is a little bit of disclaimer. Just know that this information is for, you know, information purpose. Okay, I'm not telling you what to do, even though I'm going to be sharing with you what is working for me and what I will be doing. Okay, so this week I'll be focusing more on JPY crosses and CHF crosses, NZD crosses, Aussie crosses, and of course Canadian crosses. So looking at market like maybe NZD, JPY, as you can see, NZD, JPY, looking at the Swiss franc, looking at the Aussie JPY, because it combines that. Okay, Aussie JPY, Aussie is weak, so we're going to be selling this and buy JPY. NZD JPY, NZD is weak, we're going to be selling this and buy JPY. So you can see, from what I can see right here, most of the JPY courses we are expecting, we are going to be expecting sell. Okay, we're going to be expecting sell because that is what I can see right now. Now, talking about euro is still a little bit strong, but not really strong. And when you look, I'm talking about USD. So euro is strong, USD is strong. So these two, as you can see, plus 2.7, plus 2.4, will not be focusing too much on euro USD this week. I won't be surprised if the market keeps ranging, even though we're going to be having a busy week also for you. Taking a look at that, so you will see that, so taking a look at Tuesday also is going to be very busy. It's going to be very busy. Canadian dollars, as you can see, USD, of course, talking about Aussie dollars. Then the same thing Wednesday, wow. ADP non-farm employment change for USD, 8 o'clock, GBP, Bank of England governor speaks, and 9 o'clock on Wednesday again, Powell, the Fed chairman, Powell testifies. So it's going to be a busy week for Canadian dollars, for US dollars, and GBP Aussie dollars, as you can see right there. Thursday, there's going to be OPEC. If you see last week, crude oil sold off. So this week, I won't be surprised if that continues. And Friday, wow, we're going to be having employment change for Canadian dollars, USD, non-farm employment change also coming on Friday for US dollars. So it's going to be a busy week. Now, let's take a look at the market for the week. And remember what I said last week. I said Bitcoin, as I told us last week, I said Bitcoin, as at that time it was here. I said it will come definitely to test this 38.2, and that was exactly what happened. But when you look at this Bollinger Band, this is upper band, this is a middle band, our customized Bollinger Band. I won't be surprised if Bitcoin still crashes up, possibly get up to 40 something right there because of this momentum candle. So if Bitcoin sneezes, the rest of the cryptos catch cold. So if anything that happens to Bitcoin, definitely you expect it in with most of the altcoins also. So this week, as you can see, even Dogecoin of 15 minutes is actually going to be down. Okay, let's take a look at indices. For last week, I told us that, okay, I'm not bullish on indices generally, because when you look at it, I believe seriously that stocks is very overpriced. And also taking a look at this bearish engulfing candle right there. So, and this can do also the momentum. So I will be expecting in NASDAQ especially to stay possibly, okay, get to this level right there. Try to maybe 15,728 level. Okay, so I'm still a little bit bearish also on indices generally. That is on daily. That's on daily chart. So if you take a look at 4 hours, the same thing. So I'm still bearish. Okay, I'm still bearish on indices. That is on 4 hours. And you know, whatever happens to indices happen to US 30. So take a look at that. Now, so let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD right now is actually pulling back, but when you look at the general trend, it's actually down. It's actually down. Remember, if you go back to our currency meters, you take a look at that. USD is not strong, it's not weak. So that also is going to affect this. Okay, I'm going to skip to GBP CAD this week. As you can see, remember, let's for all our analysis, be remembering what we said about the strength. Okay, about the strength. Canadian dollar is weak, so it's going to be selling. Okay, there's going to be a lot of selling on Canadian dollars. So when you look at GBP CAD, GBP, there's going to be, we're going to be buying GBP and selling, okay, the Canadian dollar. So if you go to weekly and take a look right there, you can see we can have that retracement, okay, coming back to meet with the 50 EMA, but I'll be looking for opportunity to short the PS. I'm talking about GBP CAD right now. Take a look at that. So in the moment, remember, even on the red zone right there, we're looking for sell-off. Okay, so the same thing, GBP JPY. Remember, JPY is strong. Okay, JPY is strong, so it's stronger than GBP. So I'll be looking for retracement on GBP JPY, then look for short opportunity. Okay, same thing goes to GBP NZD. GBP NZD also, remember, let's take a look again. New Zealand dollars, our New Zealand dollars is weak, and the GBP also is weaker. So this is the weakest, okay? So New Zealand. So when you take a look at that, I expect GBP NZD also to, to go bearish this week. Okay, I expect it to go bearish this week. So that will be that. Of course, GBP Swiss franc, as you can see right there, is also down. Okay, let's take a look at the popular peers trading, which is a EURUSD. EURUSD generally is down. Okay, as you can see, it's still downward. But then, as we see, both Euro and the USD, they are both not strong nor weak. So the market is going to be ranging. We'll be expecting more of this pullback to Euro USD before we continue downward. Okay, let's take a look at the Euro AUD. Of course, this is bullish. Remember, AUD, let's go back again to this. AUD is weak. Okay, Euro is strong. I mean, stronger than that. So you'll be buying Euro and sell AUD. So that is why we'll be expecting Euro AUD to go up. And the Euro NZD, the same thing. So let's take a look at NZD USD. I will be expecting more of downward movement for NZD USD. Why? Let's take a look again. NZD, as you see, is weak. USD is strong. So you're going to be buying this and sell this. So when you do that, okay, NZD, let's come on. NZD USD. So we're going to be selling this and buy this. So what do you expect? We expect more of downward movement, more of downward movement also for NZD USD. So I'll be expecting a pullback, okay, coming back to meet with this 50 EMA. Then I'll be looking for an opportunity like this, okay, an opportunity like this, what I call it right there, perfect entry. So coming back, okay, you can trade the pullback if you are good in that, but then be careful. The NZD USD, I'll be looking forward for downward movement, except anything changes. Okay, I mean, it's going to get busy with EURUSD. I'll be looking forward for more of downward. Aussie JPY also, I'll be looking forward for downward movement. Remember, I mean, JPY is strong. So most of the NZD pairs courses this week, I'll be looking forward for downward movement. So there are a lot of opportunity this week, but make sure that even as you are trading, you are, you are trying and you are maintaining proper risk and money management. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button. And of course, we are doing a promo. I hope you know the Black Friday and Cyber Monday promo is still going on. You can still join the Forex Apostle mentoring program at 80% discount. So the link is going to be at the description of this video. And of course, the Forex Apostle is recruiting new disciples, and you might want to be one of us. Okay, thank you so much, and make sure you keep harvesting those pips. I love you, and I will see you in our next video.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.